Welcome. Pause the video and look at the question for a while. Do you have any idea? Please come and comment out the correct answer for us before you continue watching. The question wants us to find out x, where square root of x multiplied by square root of x multiplied by square root of x multiplied by square root of x equals 32. We've been given 4 options, and we have to choose one of them as the correct answer. Let's start the solution. Before everything, we raise both sides of the equation to the power of 2. On the left side, the radical will disappear, and on the right side 32 will rise to the power of 2. So we would have x multiplied by square root of x multiplied by square root of x multiplied by square root of x equals 32 to the power of 2. Again, we will raise both sides of the equation to the power of 2. We see that on the left side we will have x to the power of 2 multiplied by x multiplied by square root of x multiplied by square root of x. On the right side, however, we have 32 to the power of 2 to the power of 2. Repeated powers will multiply, so we can write it as 32 to the power of 4. On the left side, if we gather all happenings of x as a variable, we can rewrite the equation saying that x to the power of 3 multiplied by square root of x multiplied by square root of x equals 32 to the power of 4. Sorry, but we have no other way than raising both sides to the power of 2 again. The left side of the equation becomes x to the power of 3 to the power of 2 multiplied by x multiplied by a square root of x, and the right side will become 32 to the power of 4 to the power of 2. The right side is easy again. We know that 32 to the power 4 to the power of 2 will be 32 to the power of 8. The left side is also not hard to simplify. It will be x to the power of 6 multiplied by x multiplied by square root of x. We can simplify this one more time. It will become x to the power of 7 multiplied by a square root of x. We have to raise both sides of this equation to the power of 2 one more time. But this time will be the last time, I promise. We would have x to the power of 7 to the power of 2 multiplied by x equals 32 to the power of 8 to the power of 2. On the left side, we will finally have x to the power of 14 multiplied by x equals 32 to the power of 16. We can simplify the left side, so in overall we have x to the power of 15 equals 32 to the power of 16. So far so good, but we have not managed to calculate x yet. On the right side, we know that 32 equals 2 to the power of 5, and on the left side, we know that x to the power of 15 equals x to the power of 3 to the power of 5, so we can write the equation somehow that both sides have a final power of 5. Let's say x to the power of 3 to the power of 5 equals 2 to the power of 16 to the power of 5. Well, when both sides of an equation have the same power, we can cancel those with each other, so I mean, we can write x to the power of 3 equals 2 to the power of 16. Furthermore, we know that x to the power of 3 equals 2 to the power of 16, means that x equals 2 to the power of 16/3. Here, if we write 15 plus 1 over 3 instead of 16 over 3, we would have x equals 2 to the power of 5 plus 1 over 3, which is 32 multiplied by x to the power of 1/3. We can write x to the power of 1/3 in a radical form. Finally, we claim option A. as the correct answer. We uploaded such videos every night and you will be thankful to yourself in the future if you push the subscribe button right now, because this is going to be very amusing.